Alrighty guys, if we take a look around, we have no Infiniti. It is sold, guys. It is out of here. I'll give you the price breakdown in a hot sec. What's up, guys? We are back, man, and we are in this Camaro rocking and rolling today. But man, I showed you my parking lot. It is not an auction car there for me. I got rid of the Infiniti, man. I'm actually pretty happy with what I sold it for and who I sold it to. So let's just jump right into it, guys. I bought the Infiniti i35, a 2002, for $325 from the local auction. After taxes, it came out to like $599. Why $599? It was originally $426 after taxes, but that's how the public auctions get you. They get you with a key fee. The key itself for that car was $176. Right, crazy as heck. If I knew the key was $176 from the get-go, I definitely wouldn't have got the car. So that's something to keep in mind too when you're bidding at the auctions and stuff. Check the key fee. So all in all, we got the car out the auction and everything. It was $599. So we'll just calculate that at $600. The axle and the lower control arm was messed up, so we got the axle for it, which was $61. We also ended up getting the lower control arm. However, the mechanic who was switching over the lower control arm didn't have the correct parts to do the install or swap out or whatever, so we didn't we actually passed on the lower control arm and just installed the axle. Like I said earlier, I was happy with who I sold it to because the actual mechanic who was working on the car literally came back and bought the car. He knew everything that was wrong with it. He didn't mind fixing it. I put the car up for sale initially for $1,800 just as is, and that was with the lower control arm still needing fixing. I actually sent the link to the mechanic because he said whenever you post it up, just let me know, I might have a buyer. I didn't know this guy was going to be the buyer, so he came through. He already knew what was wrong with the car, so all in all, he offered me $1,500 for the car, just asked me to toss in the lower control arm, which wasn't a bad deal. So I mean, you know, we still made some money there, and you know, we didn't have to do too much, guys. We actually bought a battery for the car. It was $35, and the little checkup fee was $35. So we got the checkup fee, the battery, the axle, and the actual car. So all of those totaled up to $880. We sold the car for $1,500, so we made $620 off that thing. And I think that was a pretty fair profit. It still needed to have some stuff done as well. The AC needed to be recharged, but the guy was the mechanic who worked on the car, so I don't feel bad at all selling the car like it is, just because I disclosed everything that was wrong with the car, and he already knows and seen for himself what was wrong with the car. So he actually came and picked it up and just towed it home on his little trailer on the back of his truck. So yeah, guys, I think I did pretty good on this, man. I'm ready to go back to the auction and make smarter moves. You know, everything is a learning lesson when you're buying stuff and gambling like that. But it is what it is. So as always, guys, don't never give up. Always see it through, man. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you are a subscriber already, don't forget to share that video and let me get on your community post, man. I greatly appreciate it. So yeah, guys, as always, peace, man, and have a good one. Peace.